First fish of the day on a 3D printed lure. It's like a little kokanee. Nice. Take that. There we go. A nice little kokanee. Bite. Phone bite's the new sandwich bite, as a friend would say. So I was contacted about a month ago by a subscriber who said that he makes trout and kokanee lures that are 3D printed, and offered to send me a few to try them. So today I thought I'd come out and give these things a swim. And originally I'd come out here to do a little bit of trout fishing, but I found myself a very large school of kokanee here. They are very excited about these 3D printed lures. Now, the name of the company is Old Goat Lure Company. They're based out of the Palouse in Idaho. They have a bunch of different sizes and models, like a single treble hook rig designed more for like trout, and this is a smaller double hook rig designed for kokanee. And I've been having really great success on these lures this morning. Very unexpected as well, because I've not had good luck with kokanee in this lake the past few years. Here we got another nice little kokanee. Oh, he jumped out of that net. Got him. I don't want to go in that net. So that I caught on his pink kokanee lure. I had that behind a dodger. Let me just show you that to you. So there's the lure. Kind of like a banana shaped lure. It's 3D printed. You can very much tell by the texture and shape, and it's got a little cut in it and a tube that the line runs through underneath, and there's a series of beads that holds the two hook rigs, and it has a very good erratic action. So let me get this kokanee in the bag and then get back to fishing. Look how chunky they are. They're thick. I like that. They're not very long, but man, are they chunky. Ooh, there's it. Nice. That's solid. One of the things that, when I've tested lots of different kokanee lures over the past is oftentimes I've not been all that impressed by their performance at low speed. That is, they don't tend to have a lot of action at those optimal kokanee speeds, troll speeds of 1 to 1.5 miles per hour. That's definitely not true with this lure. It has a ton of action at those speeds. It definitely needs space behind a dodger. Put it too tight, it does seem to dampen the action of the dodger, and the dodger dampens the action of that lure. But otherwise, I'm really impressed with how well they perform. Another nice kokanee here on the pink. Oh, now he doesn't want to get caught. There we go. Excellent. There we go. I wasn't catching as many on the lake trolls, so I switched up to another dodger here since this dodger was getting so much more action. Go. As soon as he was following that whole time, as soon as I turned, he hit it. I love to hit on those turns every time. Get this one in the boat in a hurry. Yeah. Nice. How to Not Net a Kokanee by Tyler Hicks. Fish. Nice. What's amazing is just the ingenuity that people have, able to come up with lure ideas and manufacture them right in their garage. And they work great. I'm having a great time catching kokanee out here on these old goat lures. Oh, we go off right at the boat. Oh, I hate when that happens. Especially on the last fish of the day. Oh, there's fish right there already. Didn't even get the other rod deployed. That's a swirly. There we go. Number 10 in the boat, finally. Alright. That's number 10 for me today. Lost those last three. It was driving me crazy. I'm going to put links to the Old Goat Lures website, so if you want to check out his selection of lures. Today I was using the pink and like the chartreuse green kokanee Old Goat lure. Tipped with some corn. It definitely did better behind dodgers than behind lake trolls. I had lake trolls on this morning. I caught a couple, but then as soon as I started switching up to a dodger, that dodger just started outperforming all of them. I ended up going both rods on dodgers. But if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time out on the water. See you guys.